No, Friday is, what was the bowling thing? I don't roll on Chavez, but that's Saturday. Friday is my sacred meditation day. How about Thursday? Right? No, call me next Wednesday. Awesome, I'll call you next Wednesday. I just want to make sure I'm staying on top of this. Anything changes, you got my mobile. Feel free to call me, text me. Even if it's Saturday, I'm here for you 100%. Fair enough? And then it's amazing because you can tell people you're going to do basically anything without sounding pushy if you put the fair enough at the end of it. Because fair enough is a parachute that they can pull the ripcord on at any time to get themselves out of the commitment. And if they have a parachute, they won't pull it. But if I just go, Ian, I'll call you Friday as well. No, you won't. But if I just go, hey, Ian, Wednesday, perfect sense. I'm going to make a note for that. And then based on my experience, I want to make sure that nothing goes sideways on this and that everything is good and I'm over delivering. I'm also going to make a note to just call you Friday as well. Fair enough? Yeah, fine. They just go, yeah, fine. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.